Did you do it? And we're at the College of DuPage, Go 16 satellite. And I want to look one more time at the volcanoes down near Mexico City. I found a better view. And let's see, here we go. There we go. Watch right there. That's one, two different volcanoes next to each other. 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, folks. Looks like potentially a full third of this quadrangle could get blown to smithereens if it all goes at once. There's more than one. See, let's go back over there. I don't know which ones these are. I think Popocatépetl is Papa with that one. There's 5. So I mean, look at this, and there's Mexico City right there. So, folks, if you got anybody down there, see if they can hook you up with some local news reporting on these volcanoes. See how they react. Just seeing it from this view, from the satellite view, they might not even know that they're all behaving simultaneously. That might be important. In fact, this whole chain is kind of, watch, simultaneously. Go 16, College of DuPage. It's 8 p.m. Central Standard Time right now. March 26, 2018. And this occurred 1900. So it would be like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Between 8 and 10 o'clock, we'll say, this evening. UTC. There's a time down here.